Want to eat healthy and keep your waistline trim? Try reaching for more fruits, new research suggests. After adjusting for other lifestyle factors such as smoking and physical activity, the researchers found that as daily intake of fruits and non-starchy vegetables went up, risks for excessive weight gain went down. Guidance for the prevention of obesity. As for fruit, berries with a low glycemic load appear to have the biggest impact in terms of keeping excess weight off, she said. Another dietitian said, eating plenty of fruits and vegetables is always a good idea. Fiber-rich foods, such as many of the ones evaluated in this study, help control hunger and keep blood sugar levels stable, two elements that can help facilitate weight loss and healthy weight maintenance. The importance of fruits being that they are a great source of fiber. Fiber regulates your bowel movements and help food pass through your gut. Most importantly, it aids digestion and controls metabolism. Cholesterol and blood sugar keeps you full for longer and can help you maintain your weight. More fruits to keep your weight down. According to the study, eating fruits like as apples, this benefit can be attributed to the presence of high levels of flavonoids, pears, and berries may be linked to less weight gain. In such fruits, flavonoid is a natural compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory health benefits, as well as adding a vibrant color to the foods we eat. A study revealed that increased consumption of food with high levels of flavonoids reduces weight gain. Dietary flavonoids are found naturally in fruits and vegetables. Researchers from Harvard and the University of East Anglia UEA are of the opinion that these findings may help to refine previous dietary recommendations for the prevention of obesity and its potential consequences. Losing weight or preventing weight gain can reduce the risk of diabetes, cancer, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and several other lifestyle diseases. They concluded that people may be able to maximize the health benefits of eating fruit and vegetables by choosing those with high levels of flavonoids, such as apples, pears, and berries. The study puts the spotlight on three types of flavonoids: anthocyanins, flavonoid polymers, and phenol. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are the main source of anthocyanins. Tea and apples are high in flavonoid polymers, and tea and onions are packed with flavonols. So, by consuming fruits regularly, you can reduce your weight. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.